happiest birthday, Chandan. We know this was not exactly how you wanted to celebrate your thirsty 30. So here's a little something for you.
बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू चंदन, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू चंदन, Happy birthday to you. God bless you, beta.
Happy birthday, Chandan. God bless you.
Many happy returns of the day. Hope to see you soon. Hi Chandan, wishing you a very very happy birthday, happy memories and very too much luck for the future.
Pop.
Hi Chandan, many happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful life and we are missing you. See, we are having fun without you.
Hey, buddy. Happy birthday, Chandan, and hope you have a good day. Best wishes. Take.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू चंदन, मेरे प्यारे बेटे, जियो हजारों साल और मेरी भी उम्र, तुम्हें नानी की उम्र भी तुम्हें लग जाए। गंगा मैया तुम्हारे ऊपर बहुत कृपा करे और ये साल तुम्हारे लिए बहुत शुभ हो और नई पत्नी आए और खूब घर गृहस्थी बसाओ, हमें भी बुलाओ दुबई।
Hey DJ, play me a song.
Sure. Let me try. Something's wrong. I need some help.
Where is our best DJ?
I think he's a little busy today. It's his birthday today, guys. Happy birthday, DJ
Happy
Nadi.
birthday.
Best of luck, buddy. 2020, I know it's not been great, but next year we're going to party with you.
Yes, and have a fantastic day. Enjoy.
Hi Chandan, happy birthday. Hope you have a great day. Enjoy.
Very happy birthday, Chandan. God bless you with many more. Have a great life. Have a great day. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Chandan Bhaiya.
Hello, happy birthday Chandan.
Chandan, wish you many happy returns of the day. मेरी आपको ब्लेसिंग और विशेस है, आप अपने बॉलीवुड के बहुत बड़े म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर बनो, DHL जैसी कंपनी अपनी बनाओ। मेरे चंदू, सबके नंदू, तू है बंदू।
Happy birthday DJ Nadi.
Hey Chandan, wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you.
Chandan, do you remember when you were 3 years old? Your first DJ training started at my home in Mirdif, Dubai. You had first time played that time harmonium, and I'm very happy today you are very successful DJ. God bless you.
Happy birthday Chandan, very happy birthday. God bless you. Have a nice day.
हेलो चंदन, सुना तेरा बर्थडे आ रहा है पास में। आज तेरा बर्थडे है क्या? हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Happy birthday Chandan.
Happy birthday चाचू।
बार बार
दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल,
ये मेरी है आरज़ू। Happy birthday to you.
Hey, bro. Wish you very happy birthday. Have fun, enjoy, bless you.
Say hi Chandan Chachu, happy birthday. Mwah. Hi Chandan, happy birthday. May God bless you with lot of success, happiness and good health. Take care. Bye.
Happy birthday Chandan. God bless you always. Love you. Have a nice day.
चंदन भा तवा के जन्म दिए जी, लख लख बधाई हो मुझे।
Happy birthday, Chandan. Wish you all the success and happiness in life. Love you.
बाय।
Hi Chandan, happy birthday to you. May God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy long life, Chandan. Happy birthday to you.
Hey Chandan Bhaiya,
Happy birthday.
wish you a many happy returns of the day. Enjoy and may God bless you and fulfill all your dreams. Bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
डीजे वाले बाबू मेरा गाना बजा दे, डीजे वाले बाबू मेरा गाना बजा दे. हैप्पी बर्थडे चंदन, मे गॉड ब्लेस यू. आई विश योर ड्रीम्स कम ट्रू. होप यू आर डूइंग वेल नाउ. अभी तो लॉकडाउन है तो घर पे ही सब तेरे डीजे. चलो सुना देना बर्थडे के दिन कोई अच्छा सा सॉन्ग बजा देना. चलो गॉड ब्लेस यू. बाय बाय.
Mr. Chandan, wishing you a very happy birthday. God bless you. May you fulfill all your dreams. Dude, you're doing your best, and I really must admire the fact that I really enjoy your DJ sets over the weekend. And dude, it's been a while. I actually kind of really miss you, man, dude. The kind of memories we've had in the past. My God, it's amazing. Yeah, I wish I could have those times back with you, buddy. I wish you all the best, and I hope that we catch up pretty soon. So I once again wishing you a very happy birthday, and wish you all the best, buddy. God bless. Cheers.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to DJ Noddy. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you, Chandan. God bless you.
हाय बेटा चंदन, हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा. बेटा जब आप हुए थे बॉर्न तभी मैं आपके मम्मी के साथ थी. मेरे को बिलीव नहीं हो रहा है कि आप 30 इयर्स के इतना जल्दी कैसे हो गए. गॉड ब्लेस यू बेटा. विश यू सक्सेस.
हाय चंदन बेटा, कैसे हो? हैप्पी बर्थडे. गॉड ब्लेस यू बेटा. आपको अपनी लाइफ में बहुत सारा सक्सेस मिले.
Wish you a very happy birthday.
Hi Chandan Bhaiya, how are you? Happy birthday.
Hi Chandan, wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy. I still remember those days when you were a little boy chasing your mom behind and speaking Hindi with a big accent. We used to make fun of you, but you were so cute. I'm so proud of you, what you have become, because your music really helps everyone when you play and everyone loves you. I wish you again a very happy birthday. We all love you. Take care. Bye.
Happy birthday, Chandan.
Happy birthday, Chandan Bhaiya.
Hi Chandan, happy birthday. Hope you have a great year. Hey Chandan, wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a great day and a wonderful year ahead and many more blessed years ahead. And just enjoy your day. It's your day, buddy. Hi Chandan, wish you a very happy birthday, brother. God bless you. Have a great day and year ahead.
Hi bro, what's up? Wish you a very happy birthday. It's been forever that we have been telling each other that we'll catch up. So maybe your birthday gives a good excuse for us to finally meet. I hope this year is filled with everything that you want and you have a fabulous year. And as soon as you get this video, let us plan to catch up. Bye, enjoy, have a good day.
Yo, DJ Ground Shaker, wishing you a very happy birthday, bro. I don't know if you remember that name, but that name was really epic, and thank God you changed. And I hope I see you soon, because I know it's been like really long. It's been almost too many years, I guess. But yeah, before I go, I would like to share a very small detail from our past. I think everyone's gonna enjoy that. Pretty much have a different perspective about you. So I think you had just started off as a DJ, and you I think got a gig, and you were playing, and all of a sudden I think someone's hand, or maybe yours or someone else's in the party, hand just went and hit the wire. The wire just came off your DJ set, and the music was just flat, like boom, cancelled. So it was cut, okay? And so you were kind of staring at the set. I was looking at the crowd was looking at you. And I was actually figuring out, I think we even have a picture from that very evening. And I think I was like, I have no idea what to do, because I was just standing right beside you, just simply because I can. So I was like, I have no idea what to do. I don't know how to help him out. So he's on his own. I'm just gonna be like, oh, see, he messed up, and do my part, play my role as a friend in a free party. So I was doing that pretty well. And well, you handled pretty well. I think it was within a minute we were back. I mean, you were back on, not we. And I was like, yeah, see, that's my friend. And it was fun. But honestly, after looking back, I can say that I'm happy that thing happened with you, and I actually got to witness that as well. Here's wishing you a very happy birthday. God bless you, bro. And I hope I see you soon. And probably I come at one of your parties where you're playing, so that I can just mess up a little bit and then see you get back up, and then tell everyone that how you're my friend and all of that. So anyways, I'll see you. Have a great day, and lots of love and support as always from AB's World. Yalla. Stay strong, baby. One life.
Hey Chandan, wish you a very happy birthday, buddy. Keep rocking.
Hey buddy, what's up? Wishing you a great happy birthday. Well, me and Chandan have been friends like almost now 4-6 years, I believe. 4 to 5 years or 6 years probably. I have no count on that. Well, we started our friendship as he had just asked me that could I have speakers for rent, and yeah, that's how our friendship took off. And it's always the love and the respect that he has always given me, and the same has gone to me. And he has also called me in the middle of the night at times saying I need a speaker, and always he has also told me that if I could cover his events and all, and that's how we loved each other. Well, we had many times together. We used to go out, hang out together, and yes, we still do. So yeah, wishing you a great happy birthday and love you. Take care, bye.
Happy birthday, DJ Nodi. Take care and have a great birthday.
Hi Chandan, wishing you many happy returns of the day. Loads of success to you, happiness and definitely prosperity. Have a great day and a blessed year. Lots of wishes from my entire family to you. Happy birthday.
Take care.
Yo, bro.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Chandan. God bless you. We all love you a lot. You're a very special person in our lives. You gel very well at home. You're like a family.
We have already given you a gift.
What else do you want?
Chandan, happy birthday to you. God bless you. God bless you. सदा ही खुश रहे. हमारी तरफ से आपको बहुत सारी दुआएं. God bless you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे चंदन बेटा, आप सदा ही खुश रहो, खुश बाहर रहो, और आगे भी आप बहुत तरक्की करो अपने काम में, और सदा ही खुश बाहर रहो. हमारे पूरी फैमिली की तरफ से आपको बर्थडे की बहुत बधाई हो. थैंक यू.
Happy birthday, bro. Have a good year ahead and have a successful life. Happy birthday. God bless you.
We all love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Yeah. Just like nature needs sunlight, the same way my heart needs your love. Chandan, since you've come in my life, you've brought me nothing but blessings and happiness. And I don't think my heart can love someone as much as it loves you. So wishing you a very happy birthday and a fabulous 30th birthday to the one and only love of my life. I love you a lot and forever.
तेरी माँ की